This is Beatbot's entry-level Sora 10, but it still claims 6,800 gallons per hour suction, wall and waterline cleaning, and smart waterline parking. So let's see if this budget model actually performs. This Sora 10 is a cordless pool cleaning robot designed to automate pool maintenance while delivering powerful cleaning performance. The first thing you will notice about the Beatbot Sora 10 is its premium design. It features a modern, rugged construction that feels both solid and well built. The robot uses large traction tracks that help it move smoothly across pool floors, climb walls, and navigate different pool surfaces with ease. Since this is a cordless cleaner, there are no cables to manage or untangle. Simply charge it, place it in the pool, and let it do the work. The overall design is compact enough to handle easily while still feeling durable enough for long-term use. The Beatbot Sora 10 is one of the more accessible options in Beatbot Sora lineup, but it still covers the key areas most pool owners care about: floor, walls, waterline, and shallow areas. When it comes to cleaning performance, the Beatbot Sora 10 delivers up to 6,800 gallons per hour of suction power, features sonic sense obstacle avoidance, which helps it detect common obstacles like ladders, drains, and steps, reducing the chance of getting stuck while it works through the pool. During operation, the robot moved methodically around the pool and did an excellent job reaching corners and difficult areas while maintaining consistent cleaning coverage. Beatbot includes multiple cleaning modes to fit different situations. You can choose between floor mode, which basically cleans only the pool floor, standard mode, which cleans the pool floor, walls, and waterline areas for more complete coverage. The Sora 10 can also connect to your smartphone through the Beatbot app using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Inside the app, you can select cleaning modes, monitor cleaning progress, check battery status, access maintenance information, receive firmware updates, and more. Battery life is one of the most important factors for any cordless pool cleaning robot. Unfortunately, the Sora 10 performs very well in this area. Beatbot rates the Sora 10 for up to 300 minutes of floor cleaning on a single charge. Actual runtime may vary depending on the selected cleaning mode, pool shape, and the amount of debris being collected, but that's still plenty for most residential pools. The Sora 10 also includes a 5-liter debris basket that captures leaves, dirt, insect, and fine particles. Cleaning the filter basket is quick and simple. Remove the basket, empty the collected debris, rinse it with clean water, reinstall it, and you are ready for the next cleaning cycle. Overall, this is the kind of entry-level pool cleaning technology that makes pool maintenance easier during the summer. If you are looking for a cordless pool robot cleaner that can clean the floor, walls, waterline, and shallow areas, be sure to check out the Beatbot Sora 10 through the link in the description below and see the current July offer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Beatbot Sora 10. And I will see you in the next one.